Gator Pit of Texas custom barbecue pits. This is Rich Robin. Check out this big bad boy right here. 24 diameter by 5 foot single door main chamber. It is a wide cut 5 foot chamber on a single door. Dual Birdhouse Stacks. 1/4 inch wall pipe, brand new pipe. Propane tank holder for gas assist. Drop down stainless steel shelf. It actually folds up and locks in place with those arms you see down there. 8-inch heavy duty commercial casters with foot brakes. Gator logo. 24 by 24 square firebox. 1/2 inch thick steel, gas assist. We have probe holes, Tel Tru gauges. We have D-rings. Strapping it down. This is for competition cooking, guys. This is actually going to have its first cook at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo coming up, I believe the end of this month, February 2018. Let's check the inside out. Look at that, one hand operation, guys. It's phone in one hand and open it with the other. That is a big heavy door to do that with one hand. With the counterweight that we've got, it was very easy. Upper and lower slide trays. We do have tuning plates, obviously, in this big old monster. That is a big pit, guys. We're talking about a pit that can hold easily, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I would say 7 briskets easily on the top, 7 on the bottom. Maybe get as much as 8 to 10 in there on the top and 8 to 10 on the lower, depending on how many pounds those briskets are. That's a lot of meat. A lot of meat. Lower storage area, 2-inch ball valve grease ring. Very nice pit. There's your gas assist down there. Your valve, protective plate or cover over your gas line. It's a 1/2 inch pipeline. We don't use the little 1/4 inch brass or copper tubing, rather. We use actual 1/2 inch gas pipe. Very nice pit. Very nice. Close it again with one hand. Very easy to do. Nice and tight. Gator Pit of Texas, 24 by 60, single door, wide cut counterweight with a 1/2 inch square firebox with gas assist, drop down 304 brushed stainless steel table or shelf, side access door, tank holder, dual Birdhouse Stacks, Tel Tru Gator gauges, stainless steel cool touch handles, lower storage, 2-inch ball valve grease train, 8-inch commercial casters with foot brakes, upper and lower slide food trays and tuning